In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your custom ChatGPT version within Notion. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to join these powerful tools together seamlessly. Let's dive right in. To begin with, open Google Chrome and log into your Notion workspace. It's important to make sure you're fully signed in and have everything ready on your Notion end before moving forward. Next, we'll obtain API access for your custom ChatGPT version. This involves reaching out to the platform where your version of ChatGPT is hosted, which might be OpenAI or any other provider you're working with. Once you've logged in there, locate the section where you can generate an API key. This API key functions as a unique identifier and is crucial for establishing a connection with Notion. Make sure to store this key securely, as you'll need it in the next steps. Now it's time to use the Notion API along with a middleware tool like Make.com or Zapier. These tools act as connective tissue between different apps and services, allowing them to work together without requiring direct coding skills. Start by logging into your middleware account and creating a new Zap or scenario, which is essentially a workflow that connects two or more applications. With your workspace ready, configure your API keys. You'll need the API key you obtained earlier, which links your ChatGPT to the middleware tool, and you'll also need to generate a Notion integration token if you haven't already done so. This token gives the middleware tool permission to access and interact with your Notion pages. Make sure to enter these keys into the appropriate fields in your middleware setup. Following the configuration of your API keys, set triggers to send or receive data. You'll want to establish the conditions or events that prompt the workflow to begin. For example, a new entry in a particular database or a specific note you make in Notion might trigger data to be sent to ChatGPT. Define these triggers carefully to match your preferred use case. Once everything is set up, test the connection by sending prompts from Notion. Take a small sample entry, input it into your Notion page, and observe as it interacts with ChatGPT through your middleware tool. Monitor the system to ensure that the data flows smoothly from Notion to ChatGPT and back again. Finally, you can begin automating responses from ChatGPT within Notion pages. Configure your middleware tool to take the responses generated by ChatGPT and insert them into the appropriate sections in Notion. In this way, your Notion workspace can become more dynamic and interactive, enhancing your productivity and workflow. And there you have it, a streamlined process to connect ChatGPT with Notion using API access and middleware. Feel free to experiment with other triggers and responses to tailor this setup to your specific needs. Thank you for joining me today, and happy automating.